So usually, so it can fight cancer. The Keshara, that is the used fight against the cancerous cells. So improves the eyesight. Okay, it is an ideal for the peoples with arthritis conditions. But the cost of the drug is very high. But that's why the utility is less. In only in cosmetic industry we are using more. But in some conditions we are using. Okay, so in arthritis conditions you can use. It can be treated in case of insomnia. Some the psychic disorders we used to treat with this Kesharas. Okay, and also useful in case of asthma. It Runaropana karma. It helps in wounds. Beneficial during pregnancy. So as you all know, it is worldwide. So most of the peoples, the pregnant ladies, they used to start the Keshara after 1 month or 2 months. They used to start, as which gives the complexion of the babies. So and promotes the digestion, the boost the functioning of the brain, and improves the eyesight. Okay, so this is another the slide of benefits of saffron. So according to Ayurveda, it is having Varnya, Kantikara, that is useful in case of Vyangha, Runahara, that is Runaropana karma, useful in case of Runa, Drushti Vardhaka, that is indicating case of Drushti dosha. It is having Mutrala karma, so indicating case of Mutragata. It is having Daurgandhya hara, as it is having aromatic in nature, so it is indicating case of Daurgandhya. It is having Kushtagna karma, so indicating case of Kushta. It is having the Ruja hara karma, that is in case of Shiro Ruja, headache, that is indicated. It is having Jantugna karma, so indicating case of Krimi. It is having Vishahara karma, indicating case of Vishavikaras, and Hikka Nigrahana, indicating case of Visha, Hikka. So Amayika Prayoga therapeutic uses in case of Mutraghata, that is where the retention of urine, especially in case of sometimes after the surgery, or if there is the prostate gland enlargement is there. In some conditions the person is unable to pass the urine. The urine production will be there, the bladder is filled with the urine, but he is unable to pass. In such type of conditions you can take the Keshara, we can keep it in for overnight. So this is taken in early morning, so it will relieve the retention of urine immediately. So in case of Shiro Roga, that is a Nashya with the Gruta processed with the Kunkuma and Sharkara will reduce the headache. If there is a Shiro Ruja, so you can do the preparation of Gruta, which is processed with the Kunkuma. So that Gruta, if you are using for Nashya Karma, so which will reduces the Shiro Ruja, which is occur because of the Pitta and Rakta dosha. The involvement of Pitta and Rakta dosha, vitiated Pitta and Rakta, which causes the Shiro Roga, the headache, Shiro Ruja, so that will overcome by doing the Nashya Karma. And Mutro Udavartha, that is in case of Mutra, the same. The Udavartha is because of the Mutra. So in that conditions, the decoction prepared from the Kunkuma added with little salt will reduce the retention of urine. And useful part, that is Stri Keshara, that is dried stigma. So useful part also they used to ask in the examinations. Please remember the useful part of Keshara is Stri Keshara. Matra, Churna 125 to 500 mg, Vishishta Yoga, Kunkumadi Taila, Kunkumadi Gruta, Madhana Kameshwara Leha. So in case of the sexual disorders also we are using this Kunkuma. There is Madhana Kameshwara Avaleha, Nagaballabha Rasa, Patrangasava, Asana Eladi Taila. Okay, these are some of the important, the classical preparations. Yes, in this slide you can observe what you are observing. So these are the flowers of Kusumba. In Kannada we used to call it Kusubi. So these are the flowers. So from these flowers we used to make the adulteration of Kunkuma for Kesharas. So what you are observing is this picture. So these are thread-like structures. So they used to add in the Keshara plant. So that is almost morphologically similar. So here we are unable to differentiate. So later it turns to reddish color. Okay, reddish, yellowish, both are present. That's why we are unable to differentiate. How you have to identify? How to identify the original saffron from the fake? As the cost of the drug is very high, so and availability is also very less. So because of these two reasons, so adulteration is definitely going to take place. Most of the times for 100 gram, the kgs together they used to add in the juvenile drug. The juvenile drug will be very less, but adulteration will be more. So how you have to identify? See, the threads of Keshara, when you put in water, you take a water in a glass or a bowl. So you take the purchased the Kesharas, the threads, 1 or 2 threads you can put in a water. So which gives yellowish color, that is the real one. If it is gives the red color, that is fake one. Because they used to add the coloring material which looks for looking purpose red. That is the stamens which is having red in color. So they used to mix with the red colors. So when you add it in water, so which gives yellow, that is red color, that is definitely it is adulterated. Which gives yellowish color, then you can say as which is the real one. Okay, so this is another picture. Sometimes it will not give the color, especially this is kusumba. When they used to add the kusumba, so they will not give the color. That is adulterated one. So this is the real one. So there's some chemical tests are also there. So you can take 1 or 2 threads of saffron, that is Keshara. For that you can add sulfuric acid. 1 or 2 threads of Keshara are taken. For that sulfuric acid is added. So immediately after that it turns to deep blue color. After adding this sulfuric acid, it turns to deep blue color. Then this deep blue color changes to violet color, and finally to wine red. Finally to wine red color. That is purplish reddish color. So if it turns, then it is called the pure one. If it is not, that is considered as the adulterated. Or another, the simple test, saffron plus water, that turns to yellowish color. Okay, so these are the 2 chemical test, important test. And coloring agent, it is going to be used as a coloring agent, and also it is antispasmodic actions. So this is another test. The saffron, the real saffron is trifid. I have mentioned the real saffron is trifid, whereas fake is cylindrical. Fake is cylindrical, thread-like. So the real saffron which is having yellowish in color, the fake is, it may be a somewhat red or orange red color. Okay, the real saffron, when you rub between the 2 fingers, that is only, so it will not turns to fine the crystallic structures. But see the fake one, it turns to break into small pieces. Okay, so adulterant, that is kusumba, Cerathmus tinctorius. Cerathmus tinctorius. This is the chemical test. Okay, so by this I want to conclude the today's topic, that is Keshara. We'll see tomorrow with another new drug. Thank you.